Chamberbitter is an increasingly common weed spreading throughout regions of the US with more tropical climates. This weed typically grows on warm season lawns during the early summer and is a major pest in the southeastern United States when seeds can be scattered wide distances. In this video, we'll show you how to identify this weed, how to get rid of it from your property, and how to prevent it from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Chamberbitter is a summer annual weed. When mature, this weed forms a shrub that can be about 1 to 2 feet tall. The leaves are an oval or oblong shape that grow up to 3/4 of an inch, and they grow in an alternating arrangement along the branch. When this plant flowers, the flowers are formed on the undersides of branches. Eventually, these flowers become seed pods, which will scatter seeds, quickly spreading the weed's presence. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Chamberbitter is a summer annual. This plant emerges around May or June when soil temperatures reach 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Once a chamberbitter plant starts to produce seed, it will continue to produce until the first frost when the plant dies. Common sites include, but are not limited to, residential lawns, ornamental landscaping, and other disturbed areas. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To eliminate chamberbitter on commercial or residential properties, use a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled not to injure your property's turf grass. Since chamberbitter is a problem seen on warm season lawns, we recommend you use Celsius WG herbicide. This product offers broad-spectrum control of broadleaf and grassy weeds on many types of warm season grasses. To treat chamberbitter, mix the labeled rate of 0.085 ounces or 2.4 grams of the product with 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We recommend you mix and apply your product with a surfactant like Nanotek. Nanotek is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. You can apply your solution with a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Spot treat any chamberbitter you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Celsius WG range from 2 to 4 weeks after the initial treatment. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before flower or seed production. Do not apply Celsius WG to bahia grass or cool season turf. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. Chamberbitter is a persistent plant, so the best way to prevent it from growing is to ensure your lawn stays healthy and ready to outcompete any weeds. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass is better able to choke out weeds and prevent them from establishing. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches, rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop weeds like chamberbitter from growing on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.